Hello, my viewers watching me this noon. It has been my pleasure to have you always on this exciting topic. I believe with the knowledge we have been getting from other sources, and this my source will help us to grow a better person we need to be. In today's exciting topic, we'll be looking on a topic: pest of crop. What is pest of crop? Pests of crops are described as organisms capable of causing harm, damages to crop plants. We have different types of pests of crops. They are as follow. We have the monkey, we have the rodents, we have nematode, we also have pathogen, we have vectors and the rest of it. They are all pests for the fact they causes damage to a crop plants. And these pests are further classified into three classes. The first is we have the biting and chewing insects. We have the second one, the piercing and sucking insect, and the third one is burrowing insect. Now let's look at what the first one is. The means the biting and chewing insects. They are those insects with a strong maxilla and mandible, that is a mouth part, that enable them to bite and chew a crop, just like grasshoppers. Grasshopper is a typical example of this insects under biting and chewing. Now, secondly, we have the piercing and sucking insects, which have a strong proboscis. That's a strong proboscis. That is a mouth part that enable them to bite and enable them to pierce and suck juice of a crop plant. Example are cotton sterners. We have the army worm and the rest of them. They are typical example of what? Piercing, mirabots, they are aphids. They are still under piercing and sucking insect. And lastly, being the burrowing insect. These are the insects that create hole in a crop plant, just like as we know beetle. Beetles, just like yam beetle, we have the weevils that create holes in our cereals like rice, beans, maize, and the rest of it. These are what we refer as what? Insects and their classes. I believe most of us we are familiar with some of these insects, but actually what they do is what I have been able to enlighten us more on. So if you find our videos interesting, don't forget to like, share, comment on the comment section for us to grow together. Thanks.